Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing here of the Barebones Hori Hori Knife. Alright. It is really heavy. Like, I did not expect it to be heavy like this. Let's see. We have some of the notches here for the inch marks. This is our cutting tool, and it's also a bottle opener from what they say online. We got the hole here if you want to put a string through it so you can attach it to your wrist. Let's check out the striations on this side. They look pretty thick. They are rather sharp. I do like the style on the back with the two-tone coloring. This side, if you're going this way on the blade, it's slightly sharp. I mean, you're not gonna like accidentally cut your finger like going like this. Going this way, it's not sharp at all. So clearly they only sharpen one side of this blade. But I mean, overall it looks pretty, I mean, it's really solid, sturdy steel. I mean, you can see how thick that is. It's a really thick blade, and so is this handle. I mean, you can tell how thick the steel is from here. You can see how durable this wood looks. It's supposed to be a walnut. I don't know, overall looks pretty good. I can't wait to get it out there and test it and see how it actually does in the dirt, and if it actually can create a pretty good plug or not. If you want to know more about it, specifics and stuff, I'm going to put a link to the description where I bought it and stuff, so you can check it out for yourself. But like I said, pretty good, solid, looks pretty cool. It is really heavy though, so if you're a smaller person like I am, and you're already going to have to carry a bunch of other stuff on your belt, I don't know if this would be super great to have on top of it. But like I said, we'll see, we'll check it out. All right, till the next time.